The KD-1 Autogyro was the first practical rotary-winged aircraft. It first rose into the sky in 1934. The Autogyro employs a propeller for forward motion and a freely rotating rotor for lift. The Army used it as a mail carrier. The R-4 was the first helicopter flown by the U.S. Army. It served in World War II after first flying in 1942. The R-4's rotating wing and anti-torque tail rotor architecture made the R-4 the first truly maneuverable, reliable, affordable, and practical helicopter. The R-4's architecture remains the standard for most helicopters, including the AH-64 Apache, the first attack helicopter produced in large numbers. The X-13 Vertijet was the first aircraft to take off vertically, fly horizontally, and land vertically. It first ascended in 1955. The CH-47 Chinook is the largest and highest payload helicopter. It served in Vietnam and beyond, after first roaring into the sky in 1962. The Chinook is big enough to replace the tail rotor with a counter-rotating wing. The AV-8 Harrier was the first practical vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Pilots found the Harrier difficult to fly ever since its first flight in 1967. The Harrier's single-jet engine pumps air through the 4 rotating nozzles to eliminate the need for long runways. Only the U.S. Marines operate the Harrier. The V-22 Osprey is the first practical tilt-rotor aircraft. All 4 branches of the military embraced the Osprey after its original flight in 1989. The Osprey takes off, lands, and hovers like a helicopter. It operates as a high-speed turboprop airplane in level flight. Its wings and rotors fold up for carrier use. The Osprey can carry 32 troops, more than the fabled C-47 Goonie Bird of the World War II fame. The F-35 was the first supersonic-capable vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in history. Its flying life began in 2006. The Lightning II adds stealth and fly-by-wire to make it a superb multi-role fighter. The RQ-16 Tarantula Hawk, or T-Hawk, is the first unmanned micro-air vehicle. It supports dismounted soldiers in the field. Its ground crew first launched it in 2006. The micro-air vehicle weighs 16 pounds, is backpack portable, and carries forward and side-looking cameras, including infrared night vision cameras. The T-Hawk sends situational awareness video documentation back to its ground station in real time. The S-97 Raider uses stiff coaxial rotors and variable pitch pusher propeller to fly twice as fast as conventional helicopters. It first lifted off the ground in 2015. The Raider is also dramatically quieter than conventional helicopters. These and many other aircraft are discussed in detail in Significant American Military Aircraft, available in print and electronic form, online, and at your favorite bookstore. Please visit orofinopressllc.com or dlakewriter.com for more.